So today Adam works until, or his shift starts at 11. His lunch ready, and Rory really likes to help with that. So that's what we are getting up to this morning. Yes, and Pippa is here.
Grandma said if there are monsters, she will kill them for me.
Okay. So, change of plans for the weekend. The kids are actually having a sleepover to Grandma Kathy's, my mom's. Here's the suitcase. Oh, and I'm wearing one of my hair sticks because I've been wearing a clip the last couple days because I couldn't find my toadstool hair stick. And the clip keeps like snagging my hair, and it just like my scalp feels really sensitive right now. So yeah, I put in the sticks, and that's why I like them, because they don't pinch my hair. I just pull them out when I'm done, and yeah. Anyway, Will's in the shower. Rory is walking around with a backpack on, even though Grandma Kathy's not coming for another 5 hours. So yeah, you probably should take your backpack off. So yeah, it will be a fairly lonely weekend for Mama, but it'll be okay. The kids will have a good time. They always have a good time at Grandma Kathy and Papa Tom's, don't you?
Yeah, and one time Will was wrestling Tom, and we were wrestling each other, and I crawled away, and Tom, he was a daddy of a baby dinosaur, and I was feeding his baby, and Will was wrestling Tom.
Oh my goodness, wrestling.
Yeah, that's why I like Tom. He's like daddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, Pippi. Hi, Pippi Dippy. Hi, Pippi.
I'm dizzy.
Excuse you. You watching?
I'm dizzy.
Are you watching Roro, Pippi?
No, she's watching. Hey, what about the boy talk with their wife and husband? I'm just giving her dinner. Have some dinner.
Pippi.
Oh,
hi, Siri.
Drink.
Oh, hello.
I'm just giving her dinner, Mom.
Oh, the one in whoa. The daddy left and I want whoa.
She has dinner.
Pippi, those aren't just your toys.
Can I
You have to share with Turkins.
bring this?
I just dozed next to the kids on the couch for a while. I have some egg rolls in the air fryer for my lunch, and Mom should be here anytime to take the kids. So they're really excited, really excited. So Adam really misses all of us, but I told him, I was like, I'm not doing anything and they're leaving, so just hang in there. But I think I'm gonna really just work on Henry Chipmunk as much as I can this weekend. Since she's not gonna be here, I can have him out and sewing on him and knitting on him as much as possible. Well, the kids are gone and it is really quiet, so I'm probably going to put on a sweater and play Overwatch until Adam gets home. I don't think I'm capable of playing Overwatch for that long, but I will do it until I don't notice how quiet the house is anymore. This is just going to be how it is, I guess. I also feel like I'm so zoomed in, but they're really excited and I know they'll have a good time. And there's no reason for them to sit here just because mommy is lonely. So yeah, if you don't like seeing clips of Overwatch, sorry. Okay, so lost way more games than I won, which isn't surprising since I'm still brand new, but now I'm working on a wholesale order. I have no idea if you can see. It's a possum. I don't think that focused. I'll show you guys. I'm working on a wholesale order that I want to go out this coming week. I mentioned it yesterday's vlog. And yeah, I'm really excited. I have a few extras of each design that will eventually go into my shop that I ordered, but see, look at, see the little sheep? We have sriracha. This one is in, you can kind of see it. This one's in the shop as a set of 3. You get the ramen, the sriracha, and a little dumpling. So here's the dumpling baskets. They are so cute. I absolutely love them. I love the contrasting steam coming off of them. So you can get the set of 3 with a stitch marker holder in the shop right now. If those keep not selling, I may split up the charms and sell these individually. And if they do sell, then I'll order more. And I'm also getting hungry, but I have no idea what to make for supper. That's what's going on. And then after supper, I will either watch vlogs or continue to play Overwatch.